Hi friends, this video shows how to fix overheating issue. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner. Go to system, go to about. Under about, go down, set Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Now under system you can find new option called developer options. Select it. These are the list of developer options. Let me go down and select app section. Here you can see app section. Under app section select background process limit. By default this would be standard limit. We can change this to at most 3 or 2. So that way we can reduce number of processes running in the background. So that way we can fix overheating issue. Okay, you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.